Here's the first take on the index, up about 30 odd points, so that's not bad actually. A very good start for the mid-caps, by the way, almost 0.5% higher, while the bank Nifty is absolutely flat. So suffice to say it's a green opening, but marginally in the green as we speak. Cipla is your big mover, up about 1%. You have Grasim, Hero Motocorp is up almost about 0.5%. Titan, HDFC Life, Apollo Hospitals are a couple of other names that are trending in the green right now. In fact, L&T, which has been your big gainer this year, is once again putting on some more weight. So 0.5% higher on L&T. Not just that, the other gainers include names like Coal India, as you know, Nigel was referring to. Nestle has been a big mover as well. So largely the market is very quiet, but there are individual stocks which are sort of, moving with quite a bit of strength. In the broader markets, actually, many stocks are hitting fresh highs. Sugar stocks, Bajaj Hindustan is at a fresh high. You have, MMTC, IDFC First Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, all sitting at fresh highs this morning. We'll come to that in greater detail later. But let's find out what's dragging the market today. Dr. Reddy's is down about 1.5%, although no official confirmation or denial from Dr. Reddy's. But nevertheless, the stock is down in the red. Hindalco, Bharti, Airtel, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, and Maruti Suzuki, a couple of other stocks that are in the red. In fact, some of these names like Infosys, etc., are also coming in for a little bit of profit-taking. So do keep an eye out on that. But the mid-cap index Bharti continues over there. As you can see on your screen, it has crossed that 40,000 mark on the mid-cap index. So I think that's where all the action is.
Well, that's right. The Nifty has come off a little bit from the day's top. It's up only around 15 points now. But the mid-cap index, well, stocks are flying away out there. Let's run you through a few of them. IRFC, the stock was up yesterday. So in 2 sessions, the stock is up 35%. Massive move out there. JMR Power and Urban, well, yesterday, in fact, they were up close to around 20%. They've got that smart meter tendering order that came in. So that stock was up 20% yesterday. Today, it's up another 10%. MMTC, well, I don't know how you justify these valuations, but anyway, that stock is up close to around 7% today. And for the week itself, it's up close to around 30%. RVNL continues to stride ahead. That's up close to around 4.5%. Suzlon as well, up close to around 3%. Volume's very, very high out there. And IEX posts that monthly update. That stock's up close to around 3%. Zen Technologies, they won a 120 crore order. That was announced earlier today. So that stock as well is holding higher with some gains as we speak. Prashant, what else?
It's a good looking market to begin the day. Almost 30 points higher, 19,555 is where we are at. These railway names that you guys mentioned, right? I mean, IRFC is up another 11%. It's coming up with huge volumes right at the top of the right at the beginning. RVNL, I think you guys mentioned, 3.5%. IEX is up 3%. MMTC saw a 10% move yesterday. It's up another 7 to start the day with. Nazara 10 yesterday, 5% this morning. Raymond, of course, there's that initiating note. Lots of initiations on Raymond recently. There is GMR Power, which is up another 10%. I mean, after yesterday's very strong gains. So almost 38 now on large volumes. Suzlon is up almost at about 25 rupees now. UCO Bank, 4.25%. NHPC is up about 2%. Praj is up about 1.5%. Coming in thick and fast. Birla Cable is up about 5%. So it was a large mover yesterday. Coming up with some volume, so that's why I'm mentioning it. I think HPL Electric is another one which has been moving non-stop along with Genus Power. So that's up another 5% to start the day with. On the downside, there's not very much. Dr. Reddy's is down about 1.25%. Jupiter Wagons, the company we had on recently, that's down about 4.5%. And, Jaiprakash, which is gone up about 30-40% in the last 4-5 days, is pulling back some 3%. So just under 13 rupees on Jaiprakash. Yesterday, that stock was up 20%. So, yeah, there is a little bit of pullback. Genus Power, I mean, that's not up 5%. Surprisingly, it's not up 5%. It's down 1.25%. Actually 1.8%, a little more at this point in time. So, 14 points, quiet, but market breadth is very strong. It's almost 5:1 in favor of advances at this point in time.